So here is a Jamaican cultural item. Do you recognize it? Can you tell what it is? If you guessed right, yes, it's a bag. It's called Calabash bag. Yeah, it's made from calabash. I should try and get the exact name, but that's the name I know it to be. It's a calabash bag. And yeah, so this is a Jamaican cultural item. And yes, as I said, it's calabash, but do you know what calabash looks like? Check this out. So this is a calabash fruit, and this one actually, it was green, like very green, like the grass down there, and it started changing color, and I figure I need to do this video before it actually gets dark. As you see, it's getting dark, or before it gets darker. But calabash is a great fruit, and I'll share with you more the benefits of calabash in another video. But yeah, this is calabash. Check it out. And yes, it can be eaten. The fruit inside can be eaten. And yes, we should show you inside. This is the inside of the calabash bag. If you know it as another name, please let us know. So yeah, it's one that you can just throw across your body like a body bag, and you go. Put whatever you want to put in it. Maybe it could fit a cell phone if it's not too big. But yeah, you can put your money in it. That's a quick stroll, evening stroll. Yeah, calabash bag. To support our ministry, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.